Okay, today we are going to have chapter 3, mixed operations of multiplication and addition. Before the class, you may prepare your things you need for this class, like your pencil and your textbook, book 3C. Okay, so first, look at the picture below. Fruit tarts for the first part. Mom has bought some fruit tarts. Carrie and Bill are calculating the number of fruit tarts. So the first question, there are 6 fruit tarts in each box. How many fruit tarts are there in 2 boxes? So 6 times 2 equals to 12. Another question, there are 2 boxes of fruit tarts and 3 more. How many fruit tarts are there altogether? So this time we use addition. The answer will be 15. So for this one, Mom has bought 15 fruit tarts altogether. Okay, so we can calculate using one number sentence. First, calculate the number of fruit tarts in 2 boxes. You may see the words in orange. 2 boxes of fruit tarts, 6 times 2, and then we plus 3 to find the total. So you will be given 2 steps here. The answer will be 15. When doing mixed operations of multiplication and addition, do the multiplication first. Okay, this time you will have to do this by yourself. Fill in the blanks. Remember to do the multiplications first. Okay, question number 2A. 7 times 3, we will do this one first, and then plus 2. The answer will be 23. Okay, you may calculate with me together. Part B, 7 plus 3 times 2. So for this time, we are going to calculate this part first. 3 times 2. The answer will be 6. Okay, so for this one, the answer will be 13. Okay, now you may compare the questions 2A and 2B. If we do the multiplication first, you can see the answers will be totally different. Okay, question number 3. Now, do the sums with brackets. Remember to work on the numbers in the brackets first. Question number 3A, 7 times in the brackets, 3 plus 2. So for this time, we are going to do the addition first. The answer will be 7 times 5, 35. Question 3B. In the brackets, we have 7 plus 3. We will do this part first. No matter it is addition or multiplication, we always do the numbers in the brackets first. Okay, so for this one, it's 10 times 2. The answer will be 20. Okay, so now you may compare the answers in question 2 and 3. Always remember that if we have brackets, we will work on the numbers in the brackets first. And then we will consider the multiplications, and then we will do the multiplications. The last one will be addition. Okay, so now you will be given 4 questions for your class study. You may stop playing this video until you finish all the questions below. Okay, do you finish all these questions here? Let's check your answers together. Question number 1. You should do the multiplication first, and then plus 4. The answer will be 139. Question number 2. The answer will be 215. Question number 3. You should do the numbers in the brackets first. So the answer will be 24 times 6. For this part, The answer will be 144. The last question in this part. Do the brackets in the first place. Okay, so 12 plus 18, the answer will be 30. So 7 times 30, the answer will be 210. Are you correct? Okay, we will still look at part 1, fruit tarts, question number 4. Carrie and Bill calculate the money mom paid for the fruit tarts below. Whose calculation is correct? Look at the price tags here. So we have $100 for 2 boxes, and each fruit tart will cost $9. So look at Carrie's calculations here. So we have 100 plus 9. She did this one first. The answer will be 109 times 3, and the answer will be 327. Oh, okay, so look on your right-hand side. I calculate in this way. This is Bill's calculation here. So for him, he did multiplication first. 9 times 3. The answer will be 27 plus 100. The final one is 127. Okay, so mom paid $127. Which one is correct? Are their answers the same? Who did the multiplication first? Okay, this one is very easy. Bill did the multiplication first. We can check whose answer is correct by estimation. We need to pay $100 for 2 boxes of fruit tarts and about $10 for 1 fruit tart. That means we need to pay about $130 for 2 boxes of fruit tarts and 3 fruit tarts. So for this one, Bill is correct. So are you correct? Part 2, in a fast food restaurant. Be careful, let's look at the picture here. You will see the price tag for each fast food. Question number 1. How much do 3 cups of soft drinks and a set of sandwiches cost altogether? You can see the diagram here. So, in the orange one, we will have 1, 2, 3 cups of soft drinks in orange. Each one will cost $5. And a set of sandwiches cost $8. So altogether, we may write down the number sentence like this: 5 times 3 plus 8. So on your right-hand side, you can do the column form. The answer will be 15 plus 8. Another column form. Okay, the answer will be 23. They cost $23 altogether. Question number 2. How much do a dish of prawn toast and 4 hot dogs cost altogether? Look at the diagram below. Okay, for this part, I would like you to try the number sentence first. You will be given some time to write down the number sentence here. Okay, let's check our answers together. The number sentence will be 13 plus 10 times 4. You can change the order like 10 times 4 plus 13. It will be okay. So do the column form on your right-hand side. Okay, the second step will be 13 plus 40. Addition. And then you will find the answer is 53. You may do them in one step. Okay, always remember to write down your statement. They cost $53 altogether. So you can make some estimation here. 13 is close to 10. The answer is close to 10 times 4 and then plus 10 will be 50. The answers are close. Number 3 with a star. How much do 3 chicken legs and the 3 sets of sandwiches cost altogether? So you can look at the diagram below, or you can try to write down your number sentence first. Okay, so for A part, how many dollars do 3 chicken legs cost? So for this part, we need to use multiplication. 12 times 3 equals to 36. So the answer will be 36. Part B, another multiplication here. 8 times 3 equals to 24. So for this part, they cost $24. Okay, the final one is to find the total number here. We use addition. 36 plus 24 equals to 60. They cost $60 altogether. Okay, so you may calculate using one number sentence like this below. 12 times 3 plus 8 times 3. You can also use a bracket like 12 plus 8 in the brackets and then times 3. The answer will be the same. Okay, so for this part, the answer will be 16. Like this. Okay, so this part, it is sinking station. When doing mixed operations of multiplication and addition, if we need to do the addition first, what should we add to the number sentence? So, students, please tell me. Okay, so the answer will be brackets. Are you correct? Okay, now we are going to do exercise chapter 3, fill in the blanks. So for this part, you may stop playing this video until you finish all the questions in exercise chapter 3. Okay, students, have you finished all the questions in exercise chapter 3? Let's check out our answers together. Question number 1, 78. Question number 2, 71. Question number 3, 98. Question number 4, 52. Question number 5, 75. Question 6, 248. So For this part, please be careful. From question number 3 to number 6, you should work on the numbers in the brackets first. Question number 7. For this part, fill in the blanks. Color the arrows with the same answer in the same color. So for question number 7, what's your answer? 36 and 39. Question number 8. The answer will be the same, 47. So question number 8 should be colored in the same one. Okay, question number 9. For this part from question number 9, you will be given long questions. Remember the format. You should write down the number sentence, your steps, and your statement. Okay, check the answers together. The answers will be 75. They have $75 altogether. Number 10. Bill has joined a musical instrument course. So for this one, number 10, the answer will be 16. It lasts for 16 days altogether. Question number 11. The answer will be 32. There are 32 people in the camp. Question number 12. Each pear costs $5. Each watermelon costs $30. How much do one watermelon and 5 pears cost altogether? So for this part, they cost $55 altogether. Number 13, the answer will be 91. There are 91 fruits in 7 baskets. Okay, so for this part, we will do some instructions on our homework. You may find the homework copy online. Question number 8. For your classroom learning homework, page 3. Question number 8. It takes 2 days and 9 hours to travel from place A to place B by ferry. How many hours does it take altogether? So for this part, we need to think about the number sentence here. What's a number sentence? How many hours in one day? The answer will be 24 hours. So we use multiplication, 24 times 2, and then we plus 9 more hours to find the total number here. The number sentence will be 24 times 2 plus 9. Okay, you will be given some time to do the steps and your column form on your right-hand side. Have you finished? Okay, let's check the answers here. You should have 2 steps. Always remember, you need to show every step in your calculation. Okay, the answer will be 57. It takes 57 hours altogether. And check your column form on your right-hand side. Are you correct? Okay, let's prepare your workbook. This part, we will give some instructions on your workbook, page 7, number 14. So, read the questions here. You will be given some time to finish the number sentence. Have you finished? The number sentence in the brackets, 6 plus 7, and then times 8. Okay, you should show your every step in this part. The answer will be 104. Remember to write down your column form on your right-hand side. Okay, remember to write down your statement. It costs $104 Are you correct? Remember to finish all the questions from 1 to 14 in your workbook as well as your CL. Okay, we have just finished chapter 3 here today.